Hi, my name is Frances. I work for the York County Library here in South Carolina. I do a variety of programs at our branch, including an adult craft program, programs for children, a family story time, and I do 2 Lego programs each month as well. Since we can't go to the library, I thought I would show you a little tutorial on how to make something with Legos. This is super easy. Probably have all these bricks at home. These all came from the classic Lego set. So let's get started. Here are the pieces that we'll be using. 1 lime green 2x6 plate. It's a little flat one. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we have a 2x2 brick. These bricks with a slope to them are called roof tiles. We have 4 1x2 green roof tiles. We have 2 1x3 roof tiles. We have 1 2x3 plate, 6 1x1 round plates, and then we have a 2x8 plate in green. We have 4 little roof tiles. These are 1x1. Then this little brick here is called a headlight. It's got a knob on the top and one on the side. And these are 2 little 1x1 eyes. We're going to start with the lime green plate. We're going to take 2 of the 1x2 roof tiles, and we're going to put those on one end of the lime green plate. The next piece is the 2x2 brick. That goes on right behind. Then the other 2 1x2 roof tiles will go next. Then we're going to take the 1x3 roof tiles and we're going to put them on this way. This is the alligator's tail. Next, the 2x3 plate. You're going to take these 6 1x1 round plates and you're going to put those on top like so. Now take the 2x8 plate, you're going to put that on top of the other, and you're going to mash it together really well. Then you're going to put them together like this. Make sure you mash it down really good. So here's your alligator coming together. There's his teeth, there's his tail, his legs. Next, you're going to take the 1x1 roof tiles in dark green. You're going to put one on one side at the back. Then you're going to put one on the other side in front of it like that. Then you're going to do it again with the other 2 like that. And this makes the little spiny things that you'll see on alligators' backs. Now take a headlight, put the eye on, and you're going to put it right over the front leg like that. You're going to do the same thing with the other, and you're going to put it right opposite, and there you have it. A cute little Lego alligator. Good job. We'll make something different next week. See you then.